Hello guys, hello everyone. Before we begin, support our stream, hit the like button so YouTube actually shows this live to traders, not to the random cooking channels. And I think that it will be fair enough if you will see the dates on this live stream only if I'm gonna see 300 likes during the live stream. But for people, or if this live stream didn't get 300 likes, basically there is the like button, there is the boost button, I would post the dates which we've been given to you during the whole last 2 years, and we was absolutely accurate with them. I think it will be fair enough if I'm gonna do this only if this video will get 1000 likes. So 300s, it's not something that I will be satisfied. I want to drop dates only for the private group. And people who's on the live stream, people who's supporting this, who's watching this after live stream was ended, I need 1000 likes. And one more rule. Every week, I want to see at least plus 100 followers on this channel. If there is no 100 followers, there is no live stream for you. I think it's fair enough. You're not paying for this. You're not doing anything. We're providing you really, really good information. And as far as I understand, that will be easy for you. So before we're going to start watching charts, I want to tell you that today I will try to stick to the plan. I made the plan, I made the script for me so I wouldn't go from one thing to another thing, because you know that I like to talk really, really much. So we're gonna talk about what matters. We're gonna talk about news. I will remind you that every week I'm doing the live streams, and every day for the last months and a half we've been dropping for you reviews of the news. We're explaining to you how this news will affect the price before it's happened. We're not the regular guys who's telling to you, oh, so the price go down because the Jane Street manipulation 10 a.m. sells. Oh, the price going down because the Supreme Court decision. Oh, definitely the price will go higher because of that, of that, of that. No, we're explaining to you how they manipulate your opinion, how they manipulate your actions, how they put in fear or greed inside your hands, soul, heads, hearts, wallets, deposits. So I think that, sorry if I'm wrong, you can tell if I'm wrong, but we are the only channel in social media who's given the dates and the price. The dates are impossibly accurate. How this system could predict that on 27, 28, there will be one more movement down. How this system could predict that from 20 till 24th, the price going down, even if the Supreme Court decision gives us some fake confirmation that the tariffs was canceled. How this system could predict that the price doing everything that I've been showing to you on a daily basis. All the positions was called, was analyzed basically on the live. Early in the morning, I'm making the video, then we editing that, then we dropping it closer to the 1 p.m., 12 p.m. Los Angeles time zone. And on the next day, I'm showing to you the results of the trades. So for the last months and a half, we made only one mistake with all our calculations, forecasts, etc. And that mistake was I opened additional long. I called that the price from December, January will go up until 96, 98, 100. We hit 98,000. After that, I put all my trust, and yeah, from 15 till 29, the system was showing that we need to go higher. But from 29 till 5th, we're going lower. And just watch every video since 18th of January. Just spend some time. They're short. Every day they're shorter and shorter. And you will see how I'm showing to you where the divergence, where the dates. I'm analyzing your assets. I'm analyzing the altcoins, other assets, gold, commodities, indexes. I'm analyzing the stocks. And once again, I'm doing this for you. And the only payment that I want to receive is your support. While I'll see how people who's making videos which getting thousands of likes and millions of views, who just, you know, they just giving you the information, how the TV, how the newspaper works. Who from you didn't know that yesterday the USA attacked Iran? Zero people. You all see that. Who didn't know that probably they killed supreme leader of the Iran? Zero people. You all knew that the airport in Dubai was attacked, that this happened. Everyone knows the news. This is basically the bullshit that they've been feeding you. But somehow, maybe just because I'm that type of honest person, maybe just because I'm rude, maybe just because I have my borders, maybe just because I'm not trying to suck your ass to ask you for the like, I'm trying to prove you something. I need to stop doing this. So since December, I said that I'm gonna stop explaining. I stopped doing this in the meaning for the live streams, but still I'm doing this on a daily basis for the private group, for people in the videos, etc., etc. So I'm starting to think about it. Maybe I should change the way I'm talk to you. Maybe you should receive just the blah, blah, blah. And after that, you will see how I made the profit. Okay, I will still gonna give some information to the private group. Okay, but also in the private group for the last week, well, I've been showing to the people what the price will do, what I'm expecting, what level the price not gonna break, where exactly the price gonna be stopped. So basically everyone since 5th of February, you've been notified. Let me open the chart, okay, if you don't mind, because I don't wanna play this game. So you've been notified that the 5th of February will be the bottom. From there, immediately on 5th of February, I start the live stream. I said to the people, right now we need to bounce back to 68, 74,000. We bounced to 72. We catch the movement down. I've been showing this to the people. Let me show you chart. I've been showing to the people what I'm doing. I'm buying the bottom, selling the dip. If I see the divergence, I'm selling. But mostly people, for example, yeah, I'm telling to the people, we have a divergence. From here, the price going slightly higher. People starting to text me, should I close my short position? Should I close? You made mistake. Should I close? And then the price giving us that type of movement. I'm telling to the people, okay, that's enough for me. I'm turning around. I have the divergence. I have the bottom of the channel divergence. Now I'm gonna wait for 68 once again. We're catching this movement up. Okay, the price going higher to $70,000. Okay, fine, I'm catching movement down, I'm showing it to the people. And in the Telegram channel, in the public channel, you receiving from me messages, what I'm showing to you. Here is 1% movement, I'm already in the position. Even before, where is that? For the last couple of days, which one? This one. Here, we're going lower. You all knew this chart. We're going lower. I'm telling to the people that I'm good. I'm not expecting that the price will go too low. I'm showing to the people, we hit first target, second target. I'm telling to the people, we're at the bottom. I'm turning around. I'm starting the live stream, or I'm making the video. I'm drawing this yellow line and I'm telling to the people where exactly I'm gonna open short position and where exactly I'm gonna close position. So I'm drawing this on the video and I'm drawing this line for the people and I'm drawing this zone and I'm telling guys, 70,000, relax. The algorithm still shows to us 27 and the first couple of days of March. Relax, we're gonna have manipulations. We're giving you the price where the Bitcoin or Ethereum or something else not gonna be. We're giving you a lot of information. And what I'm receiving? Let's double check what I'm receiving. Okay, right now you're pressing the like button. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate. And everyone who's gonna watch this video, guys, in my dream, in my perfect reality, the next live stream should be 30 minutes. The next live stream should be 30 minutes. How can I show you? Like I made a script for myself, and right now, immediately after I said hello, I start to go opposite way from the script. But I'm trying to tell to myself, this is the last time when I'm doing this. I mean, like the last time when I'm trying to talk to you honestly, when I'm trying to maybe change your opinion, maybe change your vision, maybe change your, I don't know, attitude or whatever. I'm not here to teach you. I'm here to show you other way. So you all knew since videos that that's what Andrew doing. The price go to 70K, people in the private group starting to texting me. Andrew, here. Andrew, should I close my long position and turn around to the long? I was like, what the fuck? Do whatever you want. You are in the group to see what we see, to see what we're doing, to understand what the algorithm shows. Why are you asking that type of questions? If you don't trust the system, go. Yes, I made mistake, but I'm showing to the people how I'm dealing with this. It's not stopping me from making huge amount of money. It's not stopping me from trading opposite way. Because I'm tired of this market. I'm tired of all this bullshit. The Trump said that he's banning Anthropic and Claude AI. And yesterday, late evening, they dropping that the Claude AI helped them to attack the Iran. What the fuck? They lying to everyone. They just like, how to say that, like jungling or shaking they tossing the fucking like Epstein files. Here is the war. Here is the Supreme Court decision. Here is the tariffs. Here is the fucking aliens. Here is this. They just manipulating you. I'm good to be like them. If that's what people want, it means that I need to give it to people. If that's what people need, just a stupid news. Okay, let it be. I really telling to you, I'm tired. Like for the last couple of days, I made daily live streams for the private group. I've been showing to them. I made daily videos for you. You all see how I'm drawing this line. Sorry for my hard English. I was skipping lessons in school. I was skipping lessons in university. I was skipping everything. Because I understand that if I'm gonna do everything as my parents did, I'm gonna receive the same results as they received. So maybe I don't know how to use ing ending or how to use articles or whatever, but who cares about that? Even if I'm gonna be silenced, if I'm just gonna send you the only one message, if I'm gonna tell you, hey guys, when you see that type of picture in my Instagram, it means that I'm longing. If you see that type of picture, it means that I'm shorting. I can talk in riddles. I can talk in whatever way I want to talk. And that's probably something that people need. You need this. I know that you need this. You need this fucking money. You need this, like nothing. You know that this is the fake prompt money? This is the fucking fake money. You all want to ask me, like for 5 days, I've been trying to send money to the people for the comments by asking them, please drop the USDT wallet. I'm just wasting my time. What should I say to you? Make the stories right now, post it in your Instagram, tag me, tag my Instagram, link in description, and at the end of the video I will send $100 to someone of you. Or maybe I will give algorithm for the months to someone who just dropping the video right now. Or maybe you want access for the 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year to the private group. I know that we all want something for free. But unfortunately, I understand that most of the people, they don't need money. They don't need to understand how to make money. They just need to see like someone making money. And some of you even right now texting to the comments section like, hey, you're stupid, you're retarded. How's your long from 95,000? I know about my longs, but it's not stopping me from making $700,000 since then. That's impossible money for some of you. I'm not kitsching, I'm not like throwing the money in the face of the people. Last week, the guy on the Rodeo Drive told me, put the Rolex first on your hand, then tell people when to buy, when to sell. And since that fucking Sunday, take a look how many times I showed to people, hey, I made 100,000. For the next 2 hours, I fixed $110,000 profit since I've been talking to this guy. We're showing to you this, and the only thing that I'm asking from you is support. Yeah, I was rude in the private group. Sorry for this, because even my heart starts to, I start to feel something in my heart, like it was not good. And I just realized that people don't care about this. They don't care while I'm asking them not to tax me, etc. So let's skip everything. And one more thing, I'm gonna skip the script, the beginning of the script, where I'm talking to you, where I'm asking about something, when we're discussing the news, because all this news, basically all this news, yeah, like the death of the Supreme Court leader. Okay, he's dead, but come on. We all been watching every TV series or movies when someone dies, in the next couple of minutes someone else taking his place. So yes, he's the huge political figure in this region. People respect him, someone fears him, someone afraid of him, someone like hates him, whatever. It's always happening with the leaders. But they said that he is that. And after that, they telling to us that the price bouncing up because of that. How the fuck that affect the price? I'm telling to the people, I'm good. The price not gonna go lower than 63,000. I'm opening the long positions. Okay, I'm not scaling my long positions, that positions. Why should I scale them right now for 63, 65, $66,000 if I didn't scale them on 59? Because the manipulation. If the price will go to the $83,000, $85,000, it will close my position to the break even or even to the profit. If we're gonna go with the news, for example, I'm gonna read the news. I don't know the news, but let's quickly go through what's actually happened in the last 24 hours. That type of the content that you want to see, yeah? Because the headlines themselves are less important than how money react on them. You all want that type of articles. You all want that type of, let's say, tone of voice. You just need someone to tell you what's happening in the world. But come on, we're not in 18th century. You all have Twitter, phones, etc. I don't want to discuss the news. I don't want to discuss the news. I don't want to talk about, like, I even put the small giveaway for you in this script. I'm going through the script right now. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I want to take a look on the market. I want to take a look at the market. And I'm going to do this right now with you. I'm going to turn on this screen. Today, you're not going to see the dates. I'm sorry for this. You will see the dates only if I'm going to see. Maybe you're even not going to see the trading filter. I don't know, guys. As soon as possible, these live streams will turn to just discussion, maybe without chart, maybe without that's how blah blah blah. No, my friends, I'm tired of this. In May it will be 2 years while I'm doing these live streams. Just go back. Sorry for this, but I need to do this. Just go back here, open the live streams, take a look how we predict in every price moment. Just go through the live streams, guys. Just spend even week on watching these streams. You will see how I'm making mistakes. But then, you know, like, take the note or whatever, like where you can put the plus minus and write how many times we've been right, how many times we've been wrong. Then take a look how I'm dealing with my mistakes. Take a look on everything. Like, you've been prepared months, days, weeks before it's happened. So now I want to clear. That's how I've been showing to you on the videos and on the live stream where I'm gonna open short position. The short position from top, or even from this line which was given to you also, works pretty good. From this same line, people from here till here starting to tell me, so where is your short? But then they crying because of the liquidation. That was called. All these lines where the price would be and where the price not gonna be, and I think here was where the price not gonna be. Yeah, 27 done. I can delete it. Here 62, 63. Yeah, the price goes slightly further to 63. Yeah, but as always, that date was called to you months ago. Just go and watch any live stream. You will see how I'm drawing this line here. But then we're using the trading filter. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this. Basically, I even need to clear everything. No, let it be like that. Let it be like that. Could be lower, still could be lower. Just be prepared that the manipulation on Monday, Tuesday could be pretty bad. Just remember this. Right now I want to clear the chart. So from here I show to the people what I'm expecting. The price hit this target. Works for me. I'm gonna delete these zones because that's, no, this zone, let it be here. And now since that zone we're going lower, yeah, we hit the zone, we go lower, we catch this moment as well. Right now I'm not doing anything because I'm already in the short positions. I'm not gonna do anything. I didn't open short positions from here. I didn't open. I'm not gonna do this. I still have part of my short positions because what I'm telling to the private group, I'm fixing half, I'm fixing 25%. I'm not telling them that I close all short position. What I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna notify them. So here I still have something. Forget about $40,000. I think that probably that could be 58.63. That's the deepest dip that the price could be. Here I'm showing where I'm gonna open long position. Yeah, I'm sorry that I open here. I notify people in the private group that there is the divergence. The 1 hour, 15-minute time frame, everything showing to me that there is the divergence. Then take a look at this. Take a look at this. I'm telling to the people, all this information, where the price not gonna be, okay. When to buy, when to sell. Take a look at this. February 26th. Tomorrow, I'm posting it on 8 p.m., yeah? So let's get back to the 8 p.m., if you don't mind. 8 p.m. 26. Yeah, here, if you don't mind. I'm posting that type of messages to the people. Tomorrow, from my 4 a.m. could be manipulation down until 28, 64, 65. After that, blah, blah, blah. Don't need to know that. I need to find 63. That's the message for today. Take a look at this. 23rd of February. 23rd of February, yeah? Where is the 23rd of February? Here. Here, 23rd of February. If you are without longs, take a part of, if you are without long position, take a part profit and stop to the profit. So 8 p.m. Where is 8 p.m.? Take a look at this. 23rd, 8:57 p.m. 8:57 p.m. Here. I'm telling to the people, take part to the profit and put stop to the break even. I think 63 will be broken after tomorrow morning. Now need to come down, bounce back. 6-7 a.m. LA, same, 25th, 27. So now we need to bounce back, yeah? We're bouncing back till 25th. I'm trying to like hold people for hand and show them the path. Here I'm telling, close, at least part, until 25th we're going up. In the videos on this channel, you've been notified as well, but you don't watching them. Here, I'm telling to the people, here, where is that? 26, once again. 26. That was the perfect move to 68, 60, 70. Like we catch all this moment. Let's see how the manipulation, the price with the Iran, but still it's 26. Want to see the price way higher until end of March. Yeah. Now I'm showing to them that all the higher time frames, trading filters, the impulse up could be partly huge from 27 seconds. Yeah, like I'm trying to give people all my visions. And that's the message which I showed you earlier. Tomorrow, 4 a.m. could be manipulation down. So from this time, I'm telling to the people, from 2 a.m., my time zone, there will be manipulation. How do you think? It starts in 1:30 a.m. So how the fuck I can know at 9 p.m. 26, where 9 p.m. 26 here, that exactly here it's gonna happen? Because I'm using this system on the lower time frames. I'm telling to the people, blah, 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 blah. From there, 64, 65. After that, I'm telling to people once again, Emotional. Nope. 63, take a look at oh, this is the 23rd. Sorry, this is the 23rd once again. 63 is my emotional level, which we shouldn't break until 26, 28. 26, 28. Oh, not this one. So here is $63. Here is, where is 26? 26 we're not breaking. 27, 28, the price at the bottom. But show me please 26, 25th, 26, 25th. I will find it. I know that there should be a person who's doing this, who's preparing this for the live stream, but come on. I know that you have what to do, but I don't need this. That was the perfect move. Yeah, unfortunately, I cannot see the messages from people. That's okay. We understand that. Could be 75, 74 until 8.10. Yeah. Good movement up until 8.10. Could be 75, 74. So just remember this. And end of the March, 82, 84. Like still the same. There could be correction, like maybe it's not going to be 82, maybe it's going to be 92, but come on, it's been almost months before it's been written. Then I'm telling to the people that I bought 50K BTC Ethereum ETFs, I beat ETH and Oracle, just because if the market will be closed during this manipulation down, they can open with the huge movement up from Monday. But also, United Arabian Emirates said that they're gonna close their markets on the Monday, Tuesday. So basically, they're just trying to give a fear to you. Also bought Nvidia as well. Yeah, just not to buy anything else. And what do we have here? Guys, also please be aware, I don't like that we don't have any kind of reactions. If you are without positions and wanna open position, don't break the risk management, like blah, 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 use the cross margin. I'm asking people, don't text me. Then I'm showing to the people, like we have divergences. Yeah, that's 27, 10 p.m. Let's take a look. Where is the 27? 27. 27. 10 p.m. Here. You see? 27. Oh, you don't see the chart. But okay, open the chart on you don't see the time. I moved the time. This is the 27, 9 p.m., 9:15, 30, 45, 10 p.m. The price is 65. I'm sending to the people, we have a divergence, we have a divergence. Then I'm in 10:51, 10:51, that's here. I'm telling to the people that 1 hour time frame divergence worked. I'm trying to tell them I'm gonna go to bed. It shows that 15 minutes and other time frames almost at the bottom, but still it's as always 4 a.m. It's a good time to close one more part of the short positions. Here I'm telling to the people that 4 a.m., 4 a.m., here's 4 a.m., close partly short positions. This chart was given to you, in my opinion, that was given to you. Give me a second. That one. Yeah, probably on 27. So the video which was posted here 2 days ago, I think that one. Gold, give me a second, please. Yeah, this one. This is the Ethereum. Where is that? Maybe day before. Maybe day before. Give me a second. I'm trying to find, because I know what I've been talking about. Like I've been showing where the price not gonna be. Oh, I remembered. That was in the Ukrainian private group. Yeah, here it is. The 27. 8 a.m. I'm sending them this video On the 27, I'm making the live stream, and on 27, right after that, that was here, early in the morning. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second, please. Because I know that it was given to you also. Give me a second. I know, sorry for wasting your time. I know that. Not this one. Not this one. Where was that? Maybe it was day before. Last call, maybe here. It shouldn't be here. Gold, Bitcoin. Yeah, probably that, yeah, probably for you that was here. Give me a second, I will double check. Yeah, here, I'm showing to you. Yeah, here it is, here this video. It shows 1 day ago, but it wasn't 1 day ago. You see, like, take a look at this. It was February 27. Yeah, this is the February 27. Sorry, my bad, my bad. My bad. Somehow I start to look at the 26. This is the February 27. I'm showing you exactly the same thing that I showed to the people in Ukrainian channel, and then I show it to the people in the private group. So I'm showing to you that I'm expecting price to go lower to this zone. Maybe could be lower than 63, but still, like, I'm not changing anything. Go back in time and you will see. And from there, I'm expecting movement up. And here, I'm showing where and why I see that. Right now, forget about this. You need to watch this video where I'm explaining everything. Right now, I don't want to waste my time for explanations. So everything that I'm trying to do, that I'm trying to say, that I'm trying to give you, I also give to the people in the private group. I'm telling to them what I'm gonna do, why I'm doing this, in what exactly minute I'm gonna do this, but still people afraid, people willing to open position in the isolated March, people willing to open position on the half of the deposit because, for example, yeah, from 15 till 28, the system been showing that we need to go higher. I open one more long position. The price go lower, but from 28 till 5th, the chart was showing that we are falling down. So what I need to do, I need to close my position, but I was stubborn. I didn't close my position. So I'm making opposite trades, but people, they just, you know, someone telling to you, if you want to make the pie, yeah, apple pie, do A, B, C, D. People like, okay, apple pie, I need apples. Why I don't have apple pie? And all these messages in my DM, they putting me in the state of an anxiety. And then I'm starting to going crazy. So let's get back to the chart. I'm tired with explanations. Guys, if you're new, you have 24 hours free of charge. Visit link in bio. There you will find the private group. Go there, open every, like choose every movement down or up. Go day before or week before, swipe, read the messages, and you will see how I'm taking this and how I'm explaining this. Everything inside the group, free of charge for you. So right now, I will try not to mention the dates. I will try not to mention the dates, my friends. I will try to do this. And closer to the end of this, oh, I don't need to move this. Closer to the end of this live stream, you will have the picture which will say what I'm expecting from the price, what I'm expecting from the dates. Okay, like this. I'm gonna stick to the, let's start with the daily time frame, yeah? So the daily time frame showing to me, hide drawings, the daily time frame showing to me that we have still bearish divergence. And this bearish divergence will definitely work before 5th, 4th, 3rd of March. So mark my word, in the next 2 or 3 days, or maybe even today, while the Asia session will begin, we could have one more manipulation. The bad news. Maybe even they're gonna do something with the United States military base or aircrafts, or maybe I don't want to be that guy, but I will say it in, like, I'm gonna whisper this. Maybe even we're gonna see some terroristic actions inside the United States. I don't know. Like, while everyone talking about that they're gonna blow up the Burj Khalifa, no. You think that the American people will care about the Burj Khalifa? No, we need something huge. We need something, oh my God, incredibly big. So maybe one rocket, or I don't know, like the terroristic actions of the Iranian kamikaze or whatever, whom will give us on Monday, Tuesday, one more movement down. That could be. Mark my words. I wish and I hope that I'm stupid and that's not gonna happen. Please, I don't want people to die. So we have a bearish divergence, yeah? This shows to us that until 5th, something here, that should work. But 4-hour time frame showing to me that here is the bottom, yeah? The first, second, etc. This guy showing to me where exactly will be the bottom. So that's the 3rd. So I will stick to this range of dates. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They need give you opportunity to sell. Today market's not working, yeah? Somehow the Emirates markets not gonna work Monday, Tuesday. So my opinion that they're gonna create the tension, they're gonna create like the fear in the media, like something bad happens with the United States, something, I don't know, tank, helicopter, aircraft, or B-52, I don't know. Whatever the script will say. People will have a chance to sell, so on this sell, the price could go lower to 58. The price could go lower to 58. I'm not expecting price 57. I'm not expecting price 57, 500. I don't want to see price lower than 63. If we break in 63, we drop into 61. If we break in 61, we drop into 59. If we touch in 59, we go into 58. That's easy. That's easy when you looking at the lower time frames. So right now we have the daily time frame bearish divergence. The 4-hour time frame turning around, yeah? It's turning around and it shows to us that maybe today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the price will go lower. How we can be pretty sure about what's gonna happen? I'm gonna stick to this. That's the bottom. Basically 2 a.m. in the morning. It's right before the New York trading session begins. How are they gonna explain this? Why we have impulse down? Because the London selling? Because the China selling? Could China do something? Yeah, of course. Kim Penchen, Ding Dao, Fao, Bao, Shrimp, how is Chinese food? Shrimp dumpling could say, I won't fight as well. Why nobody offer me to fight with the Americans? I want to press the button. But he not gonna press the button in the meaning of the rockets. He just gonna press the button in the meaning China selling. Could it be? Of course. Jane Street. Like, yes, Jane Street are terrible, please. Court, alarm, police, help us. Even Wolf of the Wall Street, Jordan Belfort wasn't such a terrible person as this Jane Street company. So if this system shows me that this night, while I'm gonna sleep, 2, 3 a.m., maybe we can try to catch this more perfectly. No, I'm not gonna catch it more perfectly. I'm not gonna go to the 15 minutes time frame right now. I'm not gonna go there. So we should have manipulation here, and then we should have one more manipulation here. You remember 6, 5, 7. Yeah, let's stick to the 6. So the daily time frame shown to me, here is the 6. 5th, 6th, 5th, 6th, 5th, 6th. So this divergence could work in the next 5 days, during the week, my friends, during the week. Yes, the Trump start, the Israel start attacking the Iran on the weekday, as Trump doing this always. Yeah, the market not gonna die. We discuss with you oil, we discuss with you gas, we discuss with you silver, we discuss with you gold for the last week and before. Watch this video if you need additional information. In my script, which I put myself today, which I write for myself, there was to discuss gold, discuss silver, discuss couple of altcoins, discuss couple of stocks and indexes. But then I realized, why should I do this? I want to talk. The main thing that I'm doing here is talking, yeah? So I will talk. And today on our Bitcoin podcast, we're going to talk, we're going to discuss whatever. So if you want to receive information about the gold, gas, oil, silver, S&P, NASDAQ, some other assets, previous videos for you. Right now we're thinking. Right now we're trying to find the conspiracy inside of these actions. So they attack Iran on a weekday. The market are closed. No one could sell. But what if today, when the market will be opened, like late night today, right before that, or maybe it's gonna happen in the next 4 hours, the China will start to put pressure on the market. The China will start to put pressure, okay? Let's eat that shit. After that, the London, the European Union. Oh no, Mr. Asian ramen. No. They're gonna sell as well. Or they're gonna start to buy back. The European Union will start to buy back. Yeah, like the European session, the London session, or whatever, whom. After that, the United States will put more pressure on the market because, oh, we are afraid. We're gonna buy oil. We're gonna buy gold. We're gonna buy United States silver. Yes. First thing first, I really think that mostly people buying the top and selling the bottom, it's mostly happen. So people will start panically buying some assets that, in their opinion, just because the bad news from the Middle East, just because something happening with the United States, the conspiracy which I've been discussing before, they starting to put their money to the safety assets. And from the first week, during the working week until 5th, 6th, the price will be manipulatively and with pretty huge volatility go up and down, shaking both of them. Give me a second, please. One, two. Yes, sorry for that. I see that I need to charge my laptop. Sorry for this. So once again, let me get back to the things. Like today, Asian session begins. The price starting to go lower because Asia, hey, don't touch our friends Iran. After that, closer to my 2 a.m., yeah, 2, 3 a.m., it's something like 5, 6, 7 a.m. in New York. The bad things could happen there with the United States, something terrible, something huge that could, or if it's not today, during the week. Just if I'm talking today, everything could happen during the week. people start to be afraid. They have opportunity because the markets are open. They have opportunity to sell. They starting to sell. From there, price, they starting to sell risky asset and starting to buying gold, silver, oil, whatever. From there, they will see good news. Could it be second, third, fourth, fifth? Could be. One more good news. Okay, we have a deal. No more rockets. No Israeli, no Iranian, no American rockets. Only rockets in Ukraine. Okay, Ukraine, be there. Ukraine is the powerful nation. So they will put you in the state of, I'm afraid this divergence will work. You will sell. From there until the end of March, we're going up. I hope that you understand my main thoughts, my main idea. I hope you understand that. If not, sorry if I'm explaining myself wrong way, or I don't know. So this is the daily time frame. The divergence is still here. 5th, 6th. This one's showing to me that probably that could be, we're trying to lower, yeah? That could be 3rd. Take a look at this, the 15 minutes time frame. The divergence. Okay, let's go up. So before we're gonna end this live stream, in my opinion, that will be something like that. I think that will be something like that. So I'm gonna put this line here. I'm gonna put this line here. I'm gonna put this line here, where it was before, yeah? It was like here on the 2nd, but on the 15 minutes time frame, I'm just gonna put it here, here. I know that you don't see the dates, sorry for that. And then I'm gonna put it on the 1 hour time frame. Works, but I will also put it here. What day is it? I'm sorry, not enough likes under the video. Let me double check. Let me double check. Okay, guys, enough likes. I will tell you. This one, fifth, 7th of March. So I'm just trying. I don't want to see price lower than this price. I don't want to see price lower than this price, because if we go into 63, we should drop to 61. If we are here, we need to drop to 61. I don't want to see price there. Sorry. I don't want to see price lower than this zone. I don't want to see price lower than this zone. But if the price will be here, we're dropping here. I will even do 58. Definitely buy. Should stop bounce from here. And also I will put 61,000. Let's see here. So we have 1, 2, sorry for that. We have 3 lines, yeah? Where it's gonna happen? I don't know. I really don't know. When they want to drop this huge news for us, I don't know. Either it's probably that should be at the beginning of the week. Yeah, because people should live in the fear for a couple of days. Because yesterday, we kill Iranian Supreme Leader. What if tomorrow they're gonna tell us, no, you killed Alibaba. Or you kill Aladdin. Oh my God, Mr. Aladdin, Mr. Abu, your monkey. Jasmine will stay widow. Oh my God, Jasmine, you can take his flying carpet. Oh, pretty good flying carpet, Miss Jasmine. Yeah. No offense to the people. I can talk like this bullshit about Ukrainians, about any nation, like whatever. So they could say anything. They could do anything. It's only the matter what they're gonna drop in the news. So we have two bottoms. One still valid. This is the second, third of March. We're gonna do this. Second, third of March. Then 5th, 7th of March. Then 14, 16 of March. Guys, it's not happening during the day. It's not happening during the week. People should overthink about that. People should be scared. People should be worried about it. But definitely this Operazione Lion, or what type of Fury? With the Brad Pitt. You remember when he was the captain of the tank? With the Shia LaBeouf and two other actors. I don't remember them. Some Fury. So this operation, in my opinion, should put the price of the Bitcoin higher. First thing first, we receive already in the media. Let me try to, I think it was here. Bitcoin reclaims 68 after Iran announced the death of the supreme leader. So 130,000 people only in this public has the pattern in their head. Iranian leaders dying, Bitcoin going up. How? Like, why? Just what? So if tomorrow they're gonna tell us again he's alive, Bitcoin going lower. Yes, yes, pretty good reason. If something bad will happen once again in Iran, people think that the Bitcoin going up, but also they are blocking transfer of oil, gas to the Europe. But basically, I don't care about the price for the oil or gas. I'm paying for the gas, I'm paying for the gas in my car, I'm paying for the gas in my apartment. Let it be. I'm not making money from oil, gas, or whatever. I'm making money from the Bitcoin, from volatility, from manipulations. I'm making money on the price actions. Yeah? So while whole world will be collapsed, they given us some kind of reaction which gonna happen if the war will be ended. The war wouldn't be ended. The war even didn't start. Like in Ukraine, it's been 4 years, but there is no war in Ukraine. Before that, it was 12 years of, as the Ukrainians government been called this, anti-terroristic operation. Right now, this is the full-scale invasion. Just Google it. This is the absolutely different definitions. There is no reparation, there is no coverage for the losses which Ukraine got, for destruction, for people losses, for soldier losses, if there is no war. There is no war in Ukraine, please forget. Like, I'm not donating to anyone. There is no war in Ukraine. Why should I donate? So there is Operazione, which lasts for years. Yeah, the business operation in Ukraine. Sorry if it's offends someone. In my opinion, the war in Iran, in the Middle East, not gonna start before June, July 2026. From June, July 2026 until 2030, that's probably when the war will be ended. And during these 4 years, all markets will be restored, will be vanished, will be destroyed, will be how to say that, they're gonna update the system during this huge war, which would involve Middle East, I don't know, Turkish, whatever whom, China, India, Pakistan, yeah? Well, let's fight, of course. I have a conversation with Mr. Trump. I'm Mr. Indian. Bottle of water. No, no, no. How can I help you? Like, they will fight. They will fight there. All the people in every city will start to make huge protest. Free Palestine, Israeli and people, whatever whom, like, oh, let's fight. Like the sixth season of Game of Thrones, when Jon Snow fighting with the bastard, what's his name? Like the Braveheart with the Mel Gibson, like the Napoleon trying to conquer someone, like the Odyssey, Iliada, or Troy war in ancient Greece. I don't know what type of war it's gonna be. The Dune, the Lord of the Rings, the fucking Harry Potter fighting with the Voldemort. Like, we are here, let's fight. Let it be. That's my opinion. That's just my fucking opinion. From summer 2026 till summer 2020, till summer 2030, probably there's gonna be the World War III. And you can download this game on your PS5 only today for $5.65. Could be, could be. I wish it's not gonna happen. God, please. Kill me. Let them leave. Everyone should leave. Please just take me. Or let it be like it should be. Beginning of March and the middle of March. That's something that you should be afraid. Probably that's gonna be the worst live stream, but guys, I'm a little bit tired. I'm just telling you this. I'm a little bit tired for the last days. I'm gonna expect that the price here, oh, that will show you, yeah? That's my expectations. I don't need to explain them. Here, you see this zone. You see this zone, 64, 62. That's where you should buy. I bought here. I bought a lot. We're buying better than the Michael Saylor, it's definitely. I bought it a lot. I open long positions. I close only part of the long position somewhere here. I close only part. For me, all these dates, this is the buying dates. Yes, right now I'm gonna expect that, as I said to you here, on some other layout, I'm gonna expect the manipulation. I told you where I'm expecting this manipulation. But meantime, all the movement down, all this movement down, let me know if you have this feeling inside. Oh my God, should I open short right now? Maybe I should close part of my short right now. So every time when this happens, people start to opening short positions. The best thing to do that is to make the break even lower than 63. Everything that breaks through 63 please, 63. Fuck. You don't mind if I'm gonna leave it on 63,800, yeah? So everything that will break this level, put the price to 50,000. That's how the analysis works. But I will tell you that everything that breaks this zone, put the price lower than 40,000. And that's something that people expecting. For example, if I'm gonna go through the every popular cryptocurrency investor influencer on the Twitter, like 1 million followers plus, they will all expect the price lower than $40,000 right now. Before that, they were expecting $200,000. Fine. Before that, they all been calling to the moon. Basically, there is even the Carl to the moon, who named himself like to the moon. So I don't want to see price lower than $58,000, $57,000 because from there we need to catch lower liquidity immediately. I don't want to see price there. So that's why I'm going to delete this. But for everyone, if the price for the next couple of days will be here in this zone, from here till here, you see, like, let me do this for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see this zone? It's easy, yeah? Like, in my opinion, the same zone as you're gonna find on the YouTube channel. The same, absolutely. For me, this is the buying zone. For most of the people, this is the sell zone. This is like, oh my God, we go into 63, after that we drop into 61, and after that we drop into 24, 20, whatever. People always analyzing the market like, oh, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was tomorrow. What day is it today? Like, what the fuck is wrong with these people? But that's fine. Yes? I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna delete everything that bothers me right now, yeah? I'm definitely not buying the top. Why should I buy the top, yeah? It's showing to me. I'm gonna leave this line from here. I'm gonna leave second, third, and fourth. Like, everything here is buying date. I'm gonna delete this line as well. Right now, I'm just showing to you everything that's happening right now. For me, this is the buy. I'm gonna delete these lines. There is not gonna be additional lines here. I'm gonna leave only these lines where I bought, where I open long positions. If the price will come back here, yeah? So basically, if the price will come back here, which I don't think that it's gonna happen, right now, I mean right now, that could happen closer to second. That could happen closer to opening of the markets. If that's gonna happen, okay, fair enough. From here, I want to see price going up to the zone. Once again, watch video on the YouTube. Here is the dates, yeah? Which I mentioned to you. The first, and then 7. Which one? Yeah, here it is. 2, 3, 5, 7, 14, 16. Easy. For me, it's absolutely easy, yeah? So here, inside of this selling dates, there could be manipulations on the smaller time frames. Meantime, until the end of the March, beginning of April, I truly want to see price higher than $78,000, $82,000. That's my opinion. Could be 92, could be. If that will be 92, that's the perfect sign. If that will be, you know, like even for the last couple of days, I've been telling to the people about the movement up here. And I said, if we're gonna be on $72,000 here, 72, that's gonna be absolutely terrible. We hit $70,000. Here it shows 69,988 because this is the futures on the Binance. Here it's gonna show us that the price was on $70,000. So I explained to the people, if we're gonna go to 72, this moment down will be disaster. We go to the 70. We're still trading in the same channel most of you will analyze price only with this channel. I truly understand that. So like that, yeah, like that. So right now, by analyzing the channels, the technical analysis, we need to go here. In my opinion, we need to break through, then we're gonna go higher. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking today. I really don't care. Sorry for this, guys. Sorry. My brain's not working. I don't want to talk with people. I don't want to explain to the people, but I'm still doing this. So probably it's just going to help you. At the end of the video, I will do the conclusions of my vision. So everything from here is the buy. Everything that's going to happen in the first week and from tens, where is tens? Here, tens, till 15, 16, that's the sell, that's the manipulation down, once again. The thing that I'm gonna be afraid is this guy. The thing that I could be afraid, only if there is gonna be new divergences. Here was the divergence here from yesterday, that's fine, from evening. It started to work right now, and from 60, what the price was, what was the price, 68, yeah, it started to work, but I don't care about this. Okay guys, okay, sorry, let me try to tell you what I'm gonna do. That's the perfect way to communicate with you. I'm gonna close more short positions. They are small. Right now my short positions are small. I'm gonna close more short positions in the next couple of days if there is gonna be manipulation down. I prefer to fix part on the 63 plus, 63, 500, whatever. I will stick to the 15 or 1 minute or 1 hour time frame trading filter. I'm gonna close more short positions here, more short positions here. And maybe even I'm gonna scale my long positions. I'm buying. Early in the morning, I put $10,000. Early in the morning, the price was higher. I put $10,000 to the altcoins, to the Pepe, GLRM, Starknet, ZK, ADA, Litecoin, and something else. The price was slightly higher. The Litecoin was 54 something. That's the only thing that I was remembering, because I was trying to calculate what's going to happen if I'm going to put $20,000 to the Litecoin. So I'm going to try to close my short positions, because everything telling to me that everything is terrible on the market, everything is terrible in the world, everything should go only lower, lower, lower. But after I will see that this divergence works, that could happen during the next 5 days. Monday, Friday, I will definitely buy more, and probably I will scale either Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, long position. Give me a second, please. Let me try to understand. Give me a second, please. Yeah, I'm gonna wait how they're gonna manipulate everyone with the Iran situation during the next 24 hours. That's the beginning, that's the opening of the markets. They need to put fear to the people so people will sell. After that, I want to see bigger and bigger manipulation. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin volatility, yeah? So since here and still until the end of April, we're gonna have bigger volatility, yeah? I told you that we have, a couple of weeks ago, I told you that we have this divergence. This divergence starts to work here on this moment. Right now, we're still going higher. So just mark my words that the bigger volatility will be until 8, yeah? If you don't mind, I will put it here. I will put it here until 8. The bigger volatility, from where the volatility will go lower. So guys, in my opinion, the volatility could reach this level. I'm just letting you know. If it's gonna be here, let me do the calculation. Let's take 69. I love 69, you know what I mean? So 69, if you don't mind, 69, 3.6. If it's gonna be 69 until 8, if it's gonna be 69, one more thing, 69, okay, what the price could do, yeah, I don't think that today we're even gonna go to the 64 or something like that, and then 69 again, yeah, 63, 64, 69 could be. Can I delete this channel? Yeah, the bigger volatility not gonna give us huge moves right now. Not right now, not right now. The only thing that I want to get back to the 4-hour time frame. Yes, be afraid of I will put this arrow here. Bigger volatility from 4 till 6. And here is the same, bigger volatility. Okay, yeah. In my opinion, the movement up will be bigger than the movement down right now. So if, as I said to you, yeah, like here on the 15 minutes time frame, the price could take this lower liquidity. Even from right now, like for me, this is the pretty good entry to the long position right now. Give me a second, I need to just understand, do I need to open this long position right now or I need to wait? Yeah, like the last but not least, wait until my 2 a.m. In the New York, it's gonna be 5, 6 a.m. Wait until then. In my opinion, that will be pretty good opportunity for entry to the long positions. Volatility. Go higher, my friend, go higher. The divergence, you see, like even divergence, fine. Until this evening. Yeah, I think that like in the next 2, 3, 4 hours, the price will go lower, will stop. The Asia will put the price lower. Or you know what? Sorry guys, sorry. I need to tell you the small. This is the only thing because I'm not gonna go with the 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame. I'm not gonna go there. Please, if the price will do the pretty big movement down right now to $63,000, $64,000, I'm not expecting 61. If the price will do that movement on the news, then the China will pump the price. If the price will just stay here, the China could drop the price lower until 2 a.m. So the only thing that I need to be aware is my 2 a.m. If you're from Europe, it will be easier for you. It will be like 12 p.m. in your time zone. Depends on your time zone. Yeah, go lower, please. Please go lower. Where's the 15 minutes? Here. Maybe here. Maybe here. I even don't want to see price right now here. It's only putting the fear to the people. I know better. Yeah, like I put this already, this moment down almost ended. Yeah, probably the China, fuck, I don't wanna make these drawings, but from 4 p.m., maybe from 3 p.m. Give me a second. Two, 3, 4 p.m. 2, 3, 4 p.m. From here, yeah, we could see even deeper and then higher. So here, from here till here, we could see just this, the fast manipulation, like 10 a.m. Jane Street manipulation. On 10 a.m. we saw how the price going lower. That's something that could happen. Like the fast, the long squeeze. Yeah, they're gonna take the liquidity from people who put the stop losses here, here, and maybe even here. That's my vision. And still the same. That's the perfect zone for entry, something closer to $63,000. All these manipulations, I'm gonna skip these manipulations. I'm gonna skip them. The Ethereum, I don't like how this guy looks, but take a look also here. We have the 1 hour time frame divergence, 4 hour, okay, it works already. 4 hour, yeah, like divergence, price goes up. Yeah, I still think the same. I'm not gonna go with the calculations. Take a look at this from the video which I gave to you on probably 23rd of February. We're going up, we're going down. This moment down. For me, this moment down. Then from here, from 26, I'm showing to the people what I'm expecting to take this liquidity lower. Yeah, here is the buy zone, here is the buy zone also the same. So everything during the next couple of days, that's for me buy zone. That's not go all in zone. Because right after that, we have something terrible here. Take a look at the Solana. Something terrible here. The same with the Solana. My expectation that from here we're going to go up, then we're going to go down. We almost reached this zone. The sell date works absolutely perfect. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. From here, I'm showing that I'm expecting that the price will go higher. Then lower again. All this manipulation was shown to you in the videos, etc. So the only thing that I'm gonna wait right now, yeah, this is the same. I think the same. That the price could be here. And with the Ethereum, it's slightly lower. You know why? Because the Ethereum looks absolutely terrible in the meaning of if we're gonna break this level, why you not, if we're gonna break this level, that could be something like this. I'm gonna delete where the price not gonna be. Yeah, you had this information before. I'm gonna delete this. Probably since today I'm gonna clear the chart on the daily basis, or at least once in a couple days. I'm gonna clear this. No, why I'm clearing this if it still didn't work? We take this liquidity. Now we're waiting for one more manipulation. People will be afraid. Let them be afraid. And from there we're going up until 10s, and then we're going down until 19, 18, 16. Solana the same, but here I need to put the sell dates. Yeah, 1, 2. Do I need to tell you the dates? How many likes we have? No screen. What the fuck? What the fuck? Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Okay guys, sorry for this. Sorry for this. I'm so sorry for this. I'm just tired. That's it. I'm just tired. Sorry for this. Since when? Fuck. Okay, that was the line on the 15 minutes time frame. After that, I add these lines like where this manipulation could be stopped. Yeah, like 30 minutes ago, I showed to you, like, I want to see this moment down. Here we have this moment down. In my opinion, here, in this zone, 2, 3, 4 a.m. Let's say 3, 4 a.m. 3, 4 p.m. when the Asia, like right before the Asia session begins. Either they're gonna, they need to take this liquidity. That's my zone of the manipulation. Like, they need to take this liquidity. That one, maybe slightly lower here. Maybe slightly lower here. Oh my God, fuck. How long there was no screen? I'm really tired to do these live streams. I don't know why I'm doing them. I really don't know why I'm doing them. For what? For whom? I want to show you something. Give me a second. Yesterday I call it like the present for my friend. Because most of the time we've been waiting while the developer makes calculations for us. And yesterday I create this thing. Let me find that. What? Oh, here it is. Okay. Here it is. Give me a second, please. Here's the start button. Okay. What the fuck is that? How would I know? I'm trying to think about it. How should I do this? Okay. I created this app yesterday. This is the first app that I created by myself. I'm going to show you one thing. So here you're choosing the asset. We can add here another assets. You're choosing the date, yeah? So for example, we're going to choose the end of March. You're pressing the button, autofill, it's filling, then you press and calculate, and it shows you where the price is not going to be. We can do the sigma 3, calculate once again, and it's going to show us like where the price not going to be with 99.7% probability. People in the private group, and most of you, you know this, yeah? So if I'm going to get back to the chart, daily time frame, the daily time frame showing to me that either from the beginning of March or from the middle of March, we need to go higher until the end of March, yeah? This is the thing that it shows. So it means that we need to go higher. Why I'm showing to you this? Sorry for that. Because I go with the calculations through every date, and it shows to me where the price not gonna be. So it shows to me also that the price shouldn't be higher than $84,000, but it should be closer to 72, 74, maybe even higher than 75. I can go with different, for example, let's do the Ethereum. what the price. Let's check the tomorrow price. Yeah, tomorrow Ethereum, calculate. The price shouldn't be lower than $1,850, higher than $2,000 before tomorrow, but definitely shouldn't be here and here. So that's my stop loss, or that's my absolute fixation of the short position. That's the first part. Solana. Solana, 2nd of March, out of fill, calculate. So I'm not expecting price to be lower than $79, but I'm definitely not expecting $76. After that, what we have? The third. Yeah, the third could be the bottom also. The third shows me 77.72. What about 6? 6, it's already should be higher. Guys, sorry, this is the worst live stream. I need to delete this live stream. Why? On the 6, we need to go higher, but we're definitely not gonna be closer to 100, yeah? From there. So basically that helps me. Give me a second, please. Still no dates for you, and probably there is not gonna be dates. I don't think that you will press this like button so many times because this is the disaster live stream. I think I even have a temperature in my body. So here, I could go with the same calculations with Ethereum, but why should I? The last time when we analyzed with someone in the private group, someone asked to analyze the Ethereum. That was my, like, we're going up, we're going down, we're going up. Pretty good. Solana, nothing was analyzed here. Oil, doing absolutely perfect movement. We go up, we go down, we go up again, we hit this target, we're moving up, so still the same. I'm gonna wait for the further movement up, but guys, take a look at this. It shows to me that the first week could be manipulative. It means that something bad should happen there in Iran from the first week of March. We go into the correction until the end of March. Gasoline. Here at the beginning of January, the Ukrainian guy asked me to take a look because he's been shorting from here. He's been thinking that they captured the Maduro, they took the Venezuela, so the gasoline price should go lower. I said, no, it's not gonna go lower. Unfortunately, it's not gonna go lower. Yeah, still the same. You see, like it shows, we need to move this line only this line, something like beginning of April, yeah? The beginning of April. So the gasoline and the cryptocurrency will probably go higher until beginning of April. And the gasoline next pump will happen from the middle of the March. So I'm just gonna put this line here. Oh my God, not this one. This one. That was sell, correction small, that's buy, pretty good movement, that's buy, pretty good movement, so not gonna go further. Let me take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. You see, I start to prepare myself for the live stream. I made the script. I cannot work with the script. I cannot work with the script because I'm gonna feel like I'm working for someone. Unfortunately, that's the part of my character. Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, I still think that that could be the Yeah, June, July alt season. Like, I mean, X2, X3 from the lowest price. My portfolio right now is minus 30, minus 20, minus 40% losses. The biggest loss is on this asset. The biggest loss with this asset. But you know, like, I don't have a lot of money in the altcoins. I showed it to the people in the Telegram channel. Like, I still have 90% of the USDT, but I'm trading on the daily basis. So if and when we're gonna see price lower, we said to you, yeah, 1, 2, the end of 2026, 2027, the price will be here. I'm just gonna scale my positions. I didn't put all my money, you know, about all my buy-sell dates. I'm showing to you all these green lines where I'm expecting the price. This guy did absolutely fantastic job. This guy did. Oh my God, how precious was that? From here we go here. Can I delete it? Can I just fucking clear this? We did this. We did this. From here, yeah, like for example, here is the sell. The price going lower, people not fixing the profit. The price going higher, people afraid. The price going lower, people still not fixing losses. So here was the yellow lines where to buy. From here, we need to go higher to the zone. We hit the zone. From here, you see, like, we need to go lower. We hit all the zones which I'm showing to you. That's the thing that I've been explaining to the people in the... tell me, I will tell you. Can I show you this like that? Buy and hold until July or 2028, 2030. 2028 sounds absolutely disgusting. We need to go lower. We're going lower. Take a look at this. Buy, impulse up. Even that buy, showing to me. Just buy, just fucking buy. Can I do this also? Oh, no. I'm just gonna go with 2 assets only. 2 assets only. This one and that one. Yeah, nothing changed. You're not gonna see the date. I know that you're not gonna see the date, but it shows pretty good movement. I'm still expecting that the price could go lower. With this asset, we could even go lower than 50 cents with this asset, because Durov need to put price lower to buy back his asset. The Atom, we almost reached the date, we almost reached the zone. Before that, we've been buying here, but I didn't sell here. You know why? Because I'm still holding. I will explain you. Every bounce back, right now, people are selling. Every bounce back. I'm gonna hold, because during the 1 week, 1 day, the price could give us pretty good movement up. The compound going crazy, From here, yeah, like I'm showing, like I'm expecting movement down. The movement down was movement up, but from here, the price, the red line, yeah, the red line. We didn't go too high, but still pretty good movement down. Dot. I need to clear everything here. This guy. We go in higher. Okay, ICP, pretty good movement. Pretty good movement. I don't want to go with this assets. Sorry, like I don't have time for this. Yeah, like, oh my God. 1, 2, 3. So yes, I'm gonna expect from this, like this, like that, like that, like that. That's my expectations from the futures of the same here. Like the yellow line showing to me, like my expectation that from here, from this zone, we're gonna go higher. That's the only expectation that shows to you here. That's the only expectation that I have. USDT dominance. Working pretty good, yeah? Every green line means that the cryptocurrency will go down. So the sell I will delete. We're still not reaching this low level. Okay, let it be like this. Going up, going up, going up. I'm gonna leave this white line. That was the last update. BTC alts going up from third. Yeah, could be. Like pretty good movement up. That could be. That's absolutely possibly could be. Give me a second one more time. When this guy will stop, as soon as possible. Like this moment should be like this. The total, the same. My expectations on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here and here. So from here I want to see price going higher, lower, higher, something like this. I'm gonna leave it. This guy is showing to me absolutely the same. I know that you don't have the dates. How's that happened? What? Fuck. I pressed the wrong button. I should be like this, yeah? No. Oh, yes. What the fuck? Sonia, what are you drinking? Nothing. Sorry guys, this is the worst live stream that I made for the last 2 years. You can hate me, but come on. And you know why? Because I start to be greedy of showing you the dates. I know that. Give me a second. I hate myself. Like, I don't like this live stream. I don't like this live stream. Because if I'm not gonna show you the dates, then you're gonna tell me, oh, who knows where you put these lines. I will tell it to haters' moms, like, I will whisper it. Tell me where I put this line. Just fucking tell me where I put this line. Oh, come on. Yeah, tell me the date. Okay guys, if you want to receive some normal information, watch the previous video, yesterday video. I don't know what's happening with me. I really don't know. Maybe I'm going crazy. Maybe just the pressure from people because of the disrespect. Once again, I don't think that we're gonna be here. I don't think that we're gonna be here. You know what I could do? You're gonna hate it. You're gonna hate it. You're gonna hate it. Give me a second, please. That will be the first live stream which I'm gonna cut. Hello guys, thank you for joining this live stream. I hope you're gonna love this information. Please press like button, please subscribe on this channel. If you want to receive additional information, visit links in bio. Please be aware of scammers because there is a lot of people who pretend to be us. We will never text you in the comments, we will never text you into DMs, we will never ask you about your investments, your portfolio, or we will never ask you to send your money to us. Thanks again. I hope that you're watching our daily videos on the YouTube. We're trying to do a lot of content for you. I hope that you are making money. If not, then it's okay. Everything that we are dropping here is educational proposal videos. We're not giving any kind of financial or non-financial advices. We're just showing you what we're gonna do and how we're gonna make money. So let's dive deep to the chart. Let's take a look at what's gonna happen with the price. I already slightly cleared the chart, so if you want to receive additional information, just go and watch previous videos. You're not gonna believe in this, but I need to be honest with you. This live stream was 1.5 hours longer than you see it right now. I draw this line. I'm expecting price to go lower from 3-4 p.m. Los Angeles time zone when the Asia session will begin. In my opinion, the Asia will manipulate the price. While everything happened in the Middle East and they just telling to us bullshit, oh, because they killed the supreme leader, the price of the Bitcoin go up. No, we're trying to notify you and you can check all this information. We are specific, we are precisely good, we are accurate, and we are always honest. If we're in losses, we're in losses. We're showing to you how we're gonna deal with that. So all these moments, that's just a game, that's just something that should put you in the state of fear. So in my opinion, the China will wake up, the Asia session will begin, and they will give us manipulation down. I do not expect price to go lower than $63,000 in the next couple of days, but please mark my words, for the next 5 days, from Monday till Friday, we could see pretty good manipulation on the price, which could hit the zone. I put it zone to you. And let me know in the comments if I should prepare the chart and give you the small amount of information, but it will be way more faster than all our previous live streams because I'm tired. So should stop bounce from here. This is the zone 63, 62.8. But if the price will be here in this zone at the beginning of March, then 5th, 7th of March or 14th, 16th of March, everything that lower than 63 bring the price to 61. Everything that lower than 61 bring the price to 58. I do not expect price to go lower than $58,000 in the March. But I also do not expect that the price will go higher than $100,000. And right now you will say, I dream about $100,000 because it's gonna give us 50% movement on the Bitcoin. In my opinion, it's impossible. It's impossible. But I'm always telling that everything is possible in the market. So when we're gonna see price $100,000 and higher, maybe 104, maybe 110, the end of June, the beginning of July 2026. In my opinion, that's where the terrible things, the huge war on the Middle East will begin. Right now, it's not a war. Right now, people in Dubai just eating in the restaurants their shrimps, they just sitting and watching how the interceptors trying to catch the rockets from the Iran. Right now, nothing terrible happens. I'm just telling you this. This is something that should be scripted and showed to the people. So in my opinion, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, something terrible could happen with the United States military base, aircrafts, helicopters, troopers. I don't want to see that in the news. But basically, they need to put people in the state of fear. They need to open markets from Monday. The United Arab Emirates, they close the markets. But United States, starting these actions with Israel during the offline market session, they need to give you opportunity. With the bad news, someone will destroy something either inside the United States or outside, closer to Middle East military base. They need to give fear, they need to confirm this fear during this week, the next week, from Monday till Friday. They need to give you opportunity to sell your assets. They need to give you opportunity to open short positions. So for me, everything that's gonna happen right now, 63, 61, maybe even $64,000. That's the really good entry price to the long position, and that's definitely where I'm gonna buy more. For the last couple of days, I'm buying daily the cryptocurrency. On Friday, I bought few ETFs and few stocks. I will tell you, that was the Oracle and the Nvidia. Before that, if you're gonna watch the video, which was dropped 12 days ago, where we discussing top 5 stocks to buy before spring, you will see how 3 stocks with exactly the date which we mentioned to the people from 24th of February, 3 stocks gave 15, 20, 25% movement up. That's easy to do. We're doing this for you. So if you love this content, just press like. We'll really appreciate your support. Also visit all our social media. We drop in there additional information. And of course, if you want to get access to the private group, link in description. We return as you ask, 24 hours free of charge. Also, we're creating apps. As soon as possible, we're going to drop the full app for the people. We create additional app, but right now it's unavailable for the people. I just recently explained it to the people. This app helps you. You just choosing the date and it shows to you where the price not gonna be during this date. So, or until this date, better say it like this. So, what else to say? With the Ethereum, Bitcoin and Solana, probably everything gonna happen absolutely the same way, but as always, Solana makes bigger movements because it's more manipulative, it's more volatile. Let's get back to the chart. Let's take a look on the Ethereum. That's the same, my expectations, that we could come back to this zone. Everything from here will be the pretty good, pretty perfect entry price. But also, guys, as I said to you, I'm just gonna put a little bit more, not this color, a little bit more lines. So this was the buy point. We always buying either on the bottom of this channel or on the turning around before that. Yeah. So if we're gonna take a look, here, it shows to me that buy today, tomorrow. Yeah, like buy any time when this line will turn around. When this line could turn around. Immediately, right now, just immediately right now. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna show you how I'm opening the long positions. I don't care about these positions. I don't care. I'm just gonna close my previous long positions. I'm closing them all. I'm going, oh, you know what? I'm not gonna close these positions. You are beautiful. It's a really beautiful dress. Come here, show to the people. Let them see how beautiful you are. Very beautiful. I love it. There is no way to make coffee for me? Please. Guys, I don't want to close this position. I fix only the part, and right now to fix the last part, it will be stupid. Can I open... Guys, that's not going to be the position where I'm putting a lot of money, okay? Please mark these things. That's not going to be big position. I'm just going to show you. And it's not fair. If you're not putting the money into the position, you just put in the, like, whatever amount of money, which you don't care. I cannot do anything with my own positions because they are in losses. My long positions in losses. I'm holding them, and I'm not going to break the risk management. But that's not financial advice, but maybe you will consider to open not the big amount of money, maybe half of the percent of your deposit, maybe 1% of your deposit from right now till 2 a.m. in the morning in Los Angeles time zone, 2-3 a.m. I know that you don't have the trading filter. I know that it's still not showing to me to open this position, but take a look at this. This guy at the bottom, this guy showing to me the divergence. I need to, maybe Sonia will open this, but she's gonna put the small amount of money. She's not gonna put a lot of money. She's gonna open like $100 or whatever. So everything that's happening right now, give me a second once again. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Take a look. Everything that's here is definitely open the long positions. If you want to wait a better price, wait for the next 3 hours. Next 3 hours, the Asia session, the angry Asians, the shrimp dumplings people no offense to the Asian people. I'm talking about the bad people. You know, like the people who are bad. The people who are threatening the world with this third world war. I'm talking about bad people. There is the bad Ukrainians, there is the bad Americans, there is the bad whatever other country. So these dumplings will put the price lower just because don't touch Iran. They need to put the fear in your head during the next 5 days. So you will press the button sell. Everything from here. I want so bad. I can't even explain you how badly I want to put more money right now to the long positions. But I can't. I just can't. Here it is, 58.63. Yeah, let's stick with this. Ethereum, Solana, same here. It shows to me that from that line which was given to you on the videos on the YouTube, the Solana the same. Like we are almost here. If you didn't vote here, if you didn't vote here, if you didn't vote here, if you didn't vote on the 5th of February, which was called to you days and weeks before, everything for me here, guys, everything here is the buy. Everything here for me. Everything here. Oh my God, give me a second. No, please. Guys, give me a second. I don't know why this charger for my phone didn't charge the huge 16-inch laptop. So that's why it started to glitch. I know why it's glitching. So a couple of minutes we're gonna talk with you. Guys who's watching this live stream, how it's for you. You see, I don't know why, like I have the second breeze inside of me. Like I need to talk. I need to give this information fast. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your likes. Yeah, it works. Let's get back to the chart. So everything here is the buy. Everything here, guys, everything here is the buy. You see how I'm showing to you, like I'm not buying here. I'm not retarded to buy here. I'm buying on the lower part of this fucking channel. So everything that shows to me that we should not go lower than $63,000. Just mark my words. I'm going to hold to this. I'm going to stick to this plan. Everything here is the buy. Everything here should put the price higher. The USDT dominance, yeah, I think that from the next couple of days, we're going to go lower with the USDT dominance. So it means that the market should go higher until 5th, then until 12th, then until 17, then until 30 of March. But probably, mark my words, something pretty huge could happen closer to 24th, 25th of March. That could be the local peak for some altcoins. 24th, 25th, 24th, 25th. What? 24th, 25th. That could be the local peak for the altcoins. The total, everything here, buy. Total 2, everything here buy. I'm putting this line here back. Everything here buy. I'm expecting the movement up. On the daily time frame, it will be way more easier to see. Take a look at this. I'm expecting for this moment. I'm expecting for this moment. The USDT dominance. I'm expecting for this moment. Take a look how pretty long will be the movement. Time interesting for altcoins. Just mark my words. Summer. From May till July, everything will go way higher. But right now, in my opinion, that could be the local bottom. That could be the local bottom. I'm just telling you this. That's not the end of the moment. We're still going to have pretty huge problems in July. Maybe the big war will begin. Closer to August, September, October, November, December, everything will go only down. Every bounce back will be the absolutely... catastrophical. After every bounce back, there will be additional bad news. But from the end of 2026, once again. What else? Total 3. Let's do the same. Yeah, the daily time frame shown to me. Buy here. The 4-hour time frame will be more precisely with this. Please mark my words. I will leave this line here. I will leave this line here as well, because the middle of March will give us one more time correction. So from here, that could be correction, then we're going up again. So here, buy right now, not financial advice, I'm buying right now. That's how I should say. I'm buying right now. I bought yesterday, I bought day before yesterday, I'm gonna buy tomorrow, I'm gonna buy during the whole week. During the whole week, every movement down right now, that's the manipulation for me. And I'm gonna buy here on the 17th of March, but take a look at this. 25th, it shows right now 25th. Here we can put the new bottom closer to beginning of April. But from 25th, so what it means, like from here, the price could go to the correction, one more movement up, then movement down. I'm gonna leave it like this, okay? If you don't mind, I'm gonna leave it like this. The same with the all assets. Take a look at this. 25th, 25th, here 25th. You see, take a look at this. Double top, double top, almost double top, but which chart looks exactly like this? Yes, Bitcoin. Take a look at this. You see? So basically, this movement down could be flat for the Bitcoin, but pretty good, like 10, 20, 30% for the altcoins. I'm just buying more. I'm not doing anything else. For the gold, go watch previous videos. We told you like we need to be here. All these updates from here, you receive this. So just try to understand me. In my opinion, while everyone during the next week will put more and more money to the safety assets like the gold, silver, or whatever other commodities or indexes, in my opinion, everything will go to the correction. The silver the same. Silver the same. Yeah, like we're going down, we're going up, we're going down, we're going up. I'm still expecting that the silver could go slightly higher. But it's inevitable to see that the first correction, the second correction. I don't know. Let me put this line here and the line here. So it's still showing to me that from the first week, either it's gonna do this moment or it's gonna do, because people buying. Yeah, people will buy for the next 5 days, silver, gold, others. And after that, the risky assets will go up, the gold and silver will go down. So basically here the same. Here the same. Could be like this. You know what? There is even a chance to see gold crossing the new all-time high. There is even the chance. I will stick to this plan. Just because people will be afraid, people will be terrified. What's gonna happen with the dollar? Give me a second. Yeah, still going up until the beginning of April. Still going up. But in my opinion, you know how it's gonna be. I will show you. Right now, when I have a little bit more information, can I delete this line if you don't mind? Can I delete? I don't think that we're gonna have the, I will tell you, I don't think that we're gonna have pretty good impulse up on the dollar. Probably the price will do that, something like that, and then we need to go lower. That's my opinion about the gold, the 4 hour, sorry, not about the gold, the 4 hour, about the daily sell, about the dollar. I think that something like that should happen. Yes, of course, we can take this liquidity, and after that, how bad is this? 1, 2. Could be, give me a second, the weekly time frame. From there, fuck, no, give me a second. That's the thing that I should do more often, to analyze different assets on the different time frames. Okay. Okay. if you don't mind. That will be the best thing to do. So we have like the biggest crisis, yeah, still in 2027. Mark my words. 2026, 2027. From where is that gonna be? Closer to. Give me a second. I will find right now. I will find. I will do this. Okay, and okay. It's not easy for me right now. It's not easy. No, no, no. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's too far away. I don't need this. The 4 hour gives me slightly more vision. Give me a second. I will explain myself. Yeah, in my opinion, the price could do that movement down. Then we need to take this liquidity, trade here in the flat with all due manipulations. Yeah, closer to April. Closer to April. We can go lower. This is May. Yeah, the end of, yeah, the end. From here, we need to put more fear to the people until May, and from May going lower. Yeah, I will stick to this plan. So I will stick to this zone, I will stick to that zone, and from here I will stick to this zone. Well, what I was trying to remember, where the risky asset showed me bottom, where the risky asset showed me top. I will stick to this plan. I will stick to this plan. I'm not gonna go with the other assets. I don't want to do this. I will show you once again the Bitcoin futures. I think that that's something that could happen, like immediately from today, day to after tomorrow, the whole next week could give us pretty good movement up. In my opinion, the war in Iran will put the price of the Bitcoin higher, but closer to end of March, additional bad news will appear. We're gonna discuss this during the March, definitely on the videos, because I need to see what they're trying to feed to the people. I even would say like this, to the pigs. Yeah, like they feed in pigs with the news, because pigs are stupid. If you feed in the pig, she or he eating, he or she not bothers himself or herself with the information. Pigs don't care what they eat. You understand this? So I need to see what they're gonna try to put to the people heads, like that one. So for me, everything right now, what's happening, that's the manipulation, and that's where I want to buy more and more. Of course, we see it like this 2, 4, 5% movements. This is the pretty big manipulation, and the Bitcoin volatility. Bitcoin volatility still shows me the same things. 14, 17, 18 of February, big moves. There was the moves. Oh, it's March. Sorry, it's March. It's still March. Yeah. Everything here is the big moves, but we need to take a look at the daily time frame. Oh my God, I hate these charts. Can I already delete this? You've been notified about this movement. Can I delete this? This also going up. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to the plan that the volatility will go higher, and we will easily see the price of the Bitcoin. I'm gonna delete this. I don't need this, guys. I don't need this. Maybe you need this. I don't need this. That's my expectations. Bigger volatility from here till here. So I'm gonna expect the bigger movement up here as well. From there, we're going down. Right now, I will try to guess that we're not gonna see pretty big movement down here. I don't want to see pretty big movement down here. If we're gonna go back to this video, to this chart, you can find the explanations on the YouTube by watching this video. You can find how I'm drawing and explaining myself. I will stick to this plan. It looks absolutely terrible, disaster, yeah. I'm showing to the people where the price would be, where the price not gonna be. I want to say sorry because this live stream was one of the most terrible. Sorry to the people who've been watching me for the previous hour. I wouldn't say that the bearish market ended. No. We're still gonna see price pretty low, unexpectedly low. That could be $37,000 for the Bitcoin. That could be lower than $30 for the Solana, and that could be lower than $1,000 for the Ethereum. Everything else, who cares? I'm still gonna buy on every 4-hour time frame forecast bottom. So right now, as I said to you, I bought on Friday, I bought yesterday, I bought early in the morning today. I'm gonna buy tomorrow, probably, on the small part, couple of $1,000, but I'm gonna feel myself like I didn't miss this opportunity. After that, I'm gonna buy in the middle of March. After that, I'm gonna buy only closer to May, beginning of May. From May, I will try to catch the pretty good movement up until the end of June, beginning of July. There, probably the huge war will begin. There, probably the World War III rumors, at least, will turn to something more specific. Maybe someone gonna die. Maybe someone gonna, or something will be destroyed. I don't know. But somehow I think that the March will be the local bottom. I really don't want to see price too low in May. I don't want to see price too low in May. But to give you more specific information, like sometimes, like, you know, I'm dropping video once a week on the YouTube. I'm dropping video on the Instagram, TikTok, and 95% of them are absolutely incredibly right, with the dates, with the price, with the moments, etc. But then, for example, like I was wrong with the gold, yeah? I called exactly the date of the corrections, but I was thinking that the correction will go lower. The same as the previous year. I was thinking that the price of the Bitcoin will go lower, closer to 72.69. We dropped to 74. But I'm definitely not the person who's like, okay, to the moon only. No, I'm honestly showing to you what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, when I'm buying, what I'm selling. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your motivation. I cannot explain to you, I cannot promise to you that I'm gonna do this forever. As soon as we're gonna drop the app, it's almost ready. It's almost ready. Right now we're waiting for confirmation from the Apple Store, from the Google Play Market. They need to check everything. I'm gonna put more energy and more time to the app, because I understand that that's where the billions of dollars. Here, I learned how to make millions. That's fine. That's work. That's insanely incredible good money. You know, I've been telling you this since 2024. What's gonna happen with the average price of the housing, yeah? So we had this top showing to us pretty good correction, yeah? So right now, I think, in my opinion, we could have, like, everyone knows who's at least somehow thinking or interested in the real estate in the United States. You know that there is right now, for the first time in the life of the real estate market, more on 600,000 sellers more than buyers. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna buy here where the bottom is. I'm not gonna buy. probably during the next couple of months, maybe in the end of the year, I will try to buy my first house and my first apartment. House in LA, apartment in New York. You know why? Because I'm gonna put only 20, 25, 30% down payment, and I'm gonna pay the mortgage. But this mortgage will be with the perfect fund. That's my expectations. That the Feds will lower the rates, but please be prepared that from the beginning of 2027, oh my God, how bad it will be, how bad it will be. Maybe it will be from the beginning of 2027, maybe it's gonna be closer to the middle of 2027. From here, I'm expecting that the rates will pumps. Inflation will put this, some problems with the, I don't know, geopolitical tension. I don't know what will be the reason. I don't care what will be the reason. I care what this thing shows to us. Since we start analyzing and showing to you what the rates will do, and guys, once again, you know what I'm gonna tell you? I'm just gonna tell you. Unfortunately, this chart wouldn't work. You see, there is no lower time frames, only monthly time frame. So in my opinion, either it's gonna happen in March. They need to put fear to the people. Yeah, for the last 6 months, the rates are dropping, but the price staying at the same. They need to put fear in you. So in March, I'm gonna expect that they're gonna rise the rates. They're gonna increase the rates in March. That's my expectations. But closer to June, July, August, September, I don't have the calendar of the events. Closer to summer, probably in August, I will leave it here. In my humble opinion, they will increase. Sorry if I made mistakes. In March, and lower them in August. From beginning 2027, rates pumps. So it means that I need to find the perfect rates for the perfect similar house pricing. In my opinion, that will be here in this time zone. So anywhere here, let me show it to you. Not in March, no, not right now. I think I'll buy real estate property August, December 2026, maybe. And this maybe will work if I'm buying here. The maybe will work on the additional property. First quarter 2027. Best price, best rates. After that, the price will go lower till 2029, but the rates will go higher. So for me, that's gonna be investments, the proper investments, yeah? So the price starts to bounce back, yeah, slightly, nothing. But here, I told you, like, I cannot scale these positions. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to catch this moment. They put pretty good movement down. They give pretty good pressure on some assets, yeah? Tone, atom, compound. I wanna buy ton. What? What the fuck is wrong with this asset? Well, let it be. Let it be. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say to you. Sorry if it was uncomfortable for you. Sorry for this. That was one of the worst live streams in my life. Once again, in my opinion, the manipulation will start in the next couple of hours. They're gonna put a fear. They're gonna drop the new news. They're gonna put people in the gold. They're gonna put people in the silver. They're gonna put people in the state of selling assets. The bigger crash, the crash that I'm waiting will happen closer to summer, June, July. That definitely should happen with the Bitcoin, gold, silver, with the stock market. Not every asset. We need to analyze every asset outside the whole market. But as always, if the whole market going down, mostly like 90% of the assets going down as well, because we're dropping daily videos for you. We're posting a lot of things. I want to stop doing this. Once again, I'm telling this every week to myself, not to you. Because as soon as we're gonna drop the app, there will be the tab with the feeds, there will be the tab with the live streams, there will be the tab with the forecasts, there will be everything. So as far as I see, people don't like this type of the comment, people don't like to think, people just like to react. So the only thing that I need to do right now, yeah, is to people who understand the quality, people who understand the how they can use this information, they will stay with us no matter what I'm gonna do. For others, let it be prepaid content, let it be prepaid access to the live streams, to the app, to everything. It should be prepaid. I'm just letting you know, I'm a little bit tired of everything. So that's my opinion. I gave you my vision on everything for the next couple of weeks. I'm expecting that the March will be green. I'm expecting price to go to 74, 78,000. We've been showing to the people where the price not gonna be. Watch this video once again. Inflation 3%. Watch this video once again. This one. That was made 27th of February, where I'm showing to you that the price would be here, then we're gonna go up. I'm explaining, I'm showing, etc, etc, etc. So I don't know how long I will make this video more. I will tell you probably until July. Every 6 months I'm telling to myself, for the next time when we're gonna be right, I'm gonna stop doing this. But then I'm stuck in this stupid mistake position. And while I'm stuck in this stupid mistake position, I feel myself bad. I understand that I need to give more information to the people. I understand that I need to do something else for the people. I really want to give you money. I really want to give you information. I really want to give you everything that I have, but I shouldn't do this. That's not how it should work. In April, I'm gonna move to another apartment or maybe house. It will help me to create bigger space for content, because I hate this wall. Before that, I hate the TV, because the things that TV should do was including the other person with whom I should talk. Unfortunately, a lot of things go opposite way that we think. But still, I'm fighting, I'm not surrendering, I'm not crying. I'm making money on the daily basis. I'm showing people all the moves. For the last months and a half, we catch every movement down, every movement up. That was absolutely impossible to do, but we did that. And right now I need to understand that, Andrew, relax. Relax. You're starting to think that you are the smartest person. You're starting to think that you catch the God, or you, how you say that, like you're in invincible, you're unstoppable. I'm not like that. I need to understand that I need to avoid mistakes. I need to avoid that type of confidence. But still, come on, guys. When you're making that type of money and you cannot even imagine that you're gonna spend them on something just because to prove people something, you start to understand that you're just growing your deposit, you're increasing the amount of money. So basically you should stay with the same risk management, and you will always manage your positions. You will always be in the profit, because no matter how much time how much or many much something that I can count the time. Yes, 2 hours, 3 hours. Hello, my teacher. For yes, much time. How much time I'm gonna spend in front of the chart, or opposite. How much money you got? A lot. How much problem you got? A lot. Many is something that I cannot count. Yeah. Many waters. Fuck, I'm so fucking stupid. I even cannot tell you, but I don't care, because you can always buy someone who's gonna translate for you. Once again, I'm tired, to be honest. I'm tired to do these live streams. I'm tired to give you information. I'm tired of everything. I'm just tired. I'm just tired, my friends. I'm tired to see how other people gain views and gain people who's been watching this live stream before I cut it, before I started from the beginning. Like that's my vision. You saw how I'm drawing this. Like, I'm expecting movement down, no matter if it's gonna take liquidity from this order block or not. Like, I just show you my expectation. If I would like to catch the trade, I will definitely try to catch it from this order block. People who know the smart money price action, you will understand, like, you trying to stick to the plan of where you're gonna open the position. But with this guy, if I have the notification about the divergence, I can try to catch this position down. If I had the bearish divergence here, if I don't, yeah, here it was, the bearish divergence, then the bullish divergence. It means that I need to find a way out from this position. For example, here, if you open long position, it's small movement, yeah, it's fucking like less than 1%, but still depends on your portfolio. Just repeat it so many times as you need to do this. I'm gonna wait for the next couple of hours. Once again, I'm gonna wait for this bottom. Before that, I was buying here. I'm gonna buy more and more. I do not expect price to go lower than $63,000. That's the dates where the price could be here, anywhere here, just because they need to put fear to your head. During the whole next week, I'm gonna buy. During the whole next week, if I'm gonna see price on $58,000, I'm gonna scale my positions. Maybe I even scale them on 61. I don't know. I will choose one position and I will do that. Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything, and I'm not gonna do anything. Let it be. At the end of the month, at the end of the July, at the end of June, beginning of July, we will see correction. We will see correction that could be pretty intense correction, guys. From here till here, please be aware. From the end of June till the middle of August, till the beginning of August, mark my words, be aware. Be aware, because that could be pretty terrible. If the World War III will start here, it's gonna last for 3-4 years. That moment, that could be the black swan. Either it's gonna start to happen here, or it's gonna happen from July. So right now, the only thing that I can do, like, yeah, we have this line, I can put one more here. The end of July. I think that could be volatility. Yeah. First, from the end of May, we have a huge volatility until beginning of July. Then the first correction, then huge volatility once again. And here, it's easy for me to say like this because I don't care. I cannot do anything with that. I cannot change this. I cannot prevent this. I will definitely not gonna participate in this. I want to chill. I want to fucking chill. Let the boys fight. I want to make money from this situation. I want to make life-changing money from this situation. I want to change my life. I want to change life of my kids. If that's gonna happen, let me take a look at the chart without you. We don't need to take a look at the chart with you. Let me think. Or better, I will show the chart, yeah? I will show the chart. So just imagine, here is the bottom, yeah? The total one. From here, the war, the terrible things, putting the cryptocurrency up. While people will be expecting that the gold gonna go up. Take a look at this. Where is the gold? The gold gonna go down until 2027 and then one more bottom in 2028. But from there, my friends, take a look at this. This movement up could be pretty impulse. In my opinion, from 30 till 35th, 36, we could see gold higher than $10,000, maybe $20,000. The silver showing to me that closer to the end of the year, I'm not gonna say even the end of the year, in my opinion, the same. The whole markets will, like, everything will crash at the same time, probably from July. Before that, we've been telling to you that everything will go to the huge correction from August, October. I was interested only in the cryptocurrency. Every time when we analyzing assets for you, which you are asking for us, on the YouTube videos, on the live streams, like S&P, gold, euro, dollar, whatever, Nvidia, stocks, whatever. We're doing this for you. Give me a second. I think I missed something.
Привет, уродненький. Что, ты всем нашим табличку новую сегодня сделаешь? Забрать тебя, братишка? В 2 или во сколько?
That's the guy who helps me to make video from the Rodeo Drive. Yeah, I need to make the new, like right now I need to tell people when to buy. I need to tell people when to buy Bitcoin. Fuck, where is this signs? Where are my signs? I need to find them. Okay, guys, I think that's enough for today. I talked too much. In my opinion, terrible things gonna happen in summer. No one would expect. Everyone will think that the gold, silver, everything will go up. Everyone will start to think from May that this is the fake movement on the cryptocurrency. So the cryptocurrency will change the game since beginning of 2027, the end of 2026. Before that, we should see pretty absolutely terrible manipulation from March, May till July. I truly believe that that's probably the bottom, the local bottom right now, the first stop. But the November, December will give us, why I'm looking there? But November, December will give us price lower than 40,000. Everything that I was give you here on this chart. Go back in February, March 2025, you will see how I'm drawing these lines. Watch videos, you will see how I'm putting April, May, high risk, June, August, BTC October, November. That's impossible. 200 is impossible, not right now. Maybe 2030, 2030 something. The life is unfair for most of us, especially for the people who don't want to change their life. especially for the people who's not trying to understand the rules of the game. We're trying to show you that the system are broken. We're trying to show you that they're bullshit, that they're just manipulating you. I'm not gonna say that it's always happened like this. No. Probably the system will, how to say that, will absorb me, will consume me. The system will capture me. I'm telling you this. Because no one in the system needs to have someone who's telling people how they can stop being slaves. So maybe it's good that I'm not viral. Maybe it's good that no one knows about us. Yeah, there is like a couple videos for the millions of views where we precisely said what the price will do. And you know what the best thing? The video with the kid, I already proved it to you. You can find video on the Rodeo Drive or just open the TikTok, Instagram. Go to the November 2025. November 2025. You will find the... Fuck as always. And then I'm telling to the people, watch this video. All right. Through the trader, yeah. Let's open this guy. And let's go down till November. I will show you this video. Exactly the same video. But this video was made by AI. AI cut the video. But let's go to the November. As far as I remember, either it was 11, 17, something like that. Let me go there. And after that, you know what we're gonna do after that? We'll go with the live streams. No, we don't need this. Your channel. We're gonna go with the live stream. We're gonna go here. Oh yeah, it's we are close. We are close. I remember this guy, fucking billionaire, crypto billionaire, who's not selling. He's just only buying the dip. He has everything in this life, but right now, if he's a billionaire, he lost like one of the biggest loss in his life. Here's the kid, yeah. Here's the first time, but let me see. Here is one more, yeah. So let's open this video, if you don't mind. Take a look at this. 13 weeks ago, November 30, yeah? So it means that if I'm gonna go here, I have the long sleeve here, 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 or here. Yeah, probably. Not this one. Not this one. Show me what you're wearing. This one. Yeah. The date. October 26th. No, it's not the date. It's not what I'm looking. October 19. No, 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 Mr. Fish. No, no, no. Let me get back. Sorry for this. 4 months. Then I need to go back. Oh, it still didn't calculate like it was. Yeah, I need to look on the 3 months ago. I need to find something a week before that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. November 16th. Not that type of the long sleeve. But could I change? Could I change? Yes, I could. I don't think that I change. Yeah, this one probably. Yeah, the long sleeve, November 23. I will explain you. This live stream. We don't need anything else. So we need this live stream. Take a look at this pimple. You see this? My girlfriend tried to cover it with the help of the makeup. Take a look at this pimple here. So on November 30, this video was uploaded to the Instagram because my partner need to edit this video. It means that this video was sent it to him right after this live stream. I'm telling you that if you're gonna go here, you will see my explanations, you will see everything that I'm expecting from the price, you will see like everything that I think will happen with the price, will happen with the Bitcoin during the next couple of whatever. If we're gonna listen to this video.
Here, punch me in the face. Do you interested to invest any money into the cryptocurrency?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you remember the dates?
Probably, yeah. I can write it. I can write it
If you're gonna write, yeah, it will work. So I will tell you, the next buy-in dates, so the next bottom for the crypto market will be 17, 18 of December. Will you remember that?
But this year.
This year, yeah. From there, the price will go up until first 2 weeks of January. From there, the price will go to the correction probably until March. And then we're gonna have one more peak of the price closer to April, May, June 2026. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in October.
October, so it's already gone, yeah?
Yeah.
Until next October, yeah? Just ask your parents, skip the presents, wait until November 2026.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the bottom of the bottom. Buy anything. Just tell to your dad, November 2026. If not, find me here, punch me in the face. That will be the bottom. And I think that if you...
You can go into December, I will show you. There's a lot of people who's asking me, what should I do with the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? These guys. What should I do with the cryptocurrency which I bought in the December?
My birthday. 16.
16 of what? So you...
So 16th of December, yeah?
birthday, December 16th, yeah? Let's check this information. From today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, like basically from $92,000, the price will go down until first stop will be 9/10 of December, then we're gonna go deeper until 17, 19 of December. So, your birth...
Do I need to open the chart, or you remember what's happened on the 17th of December?
Make yourself present, it's not financial advice. I'm gonna buy for a huge amount of money. On 17th, 19th of December, I'm gonna skip 9, 10 if I'm gonna see...
You know, when I'm talking on the street to the people, I'm giving them plus minus 1 day. Because they don't have the trading filter, and they don't have like, basically this guy could deliver me the food. Or maybe he's the most rich person in the world. He don't know nothing about the market. So 99% of people who talk to me on the street, they don't know nothing.
It's lower than $80,000, I'm gonna do that.
Lower than $80,000, yeah? Where the price was? 80,000.
I said to you, 17, 19, yeah? You will see the huge red candle, buy anything, like whatever you're gonna buy, Ethereum.
How more can I explain to the person like who don't know nothing? He's not watching this live stream. Maybe right now he's watching. Like since I met him, this video was uploaded on 10th of December. Go back at least for a couple of days to make this video. So maybe even we will see the same pimple on my forehead. This video could be made right after this. You think that I'm uploading all videos at the same day? I'm still didn't upload the video since the beginning of February. There is still a couple of video in the drafts. So
People, whatever, and hold until the end of January. From the end of January, we're gonna go once again down, and then summer 20.
you see, at the beginning of December or end of November, I'm telling the end of January, and then people starting to tell me, you changing the dates. No, I'm not changing the dates. I'm preparing myself. Oh, we need to find the hat, the green t-shirt. There was the green t-shirt. I know when it was. Live stream. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. Not this one.
What do we have?
The green t-shirt. November 2. Two months before it happens. 2 months before it happens. And I'm telling the end of January. Yeah, sorry that it's happened on the 13th of January.
26 is going to be the last time when you're going to have chance to sell Bitcoin.
What I'm telling, summer 2026.
The 6 figures. From there until November, December 2026, probably you...
I need to create more and more content like, oh, I told you. Okay, guys, I need to go. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless America. God save smart people. I don't know what to tell you. I'm tired of doing these things. It's definitely. Please don't text me. Please don't text me with any questions. We create the AI assistant. You can find the link on the AI assistant in the Telegram group. First link in the description. If you go with the scammers, don't text me about scammers. I don't care about them. We send application for the verification badge on the Telegram. Unfortunately, the YouTube will give verification only from 100,000 followers. Almost impossible. I really don't care if you're gonna lose your money with the scammers. I really don't care. So please don't text me about this, because I'm tired to ask people, please, could you report this page? Please, could you do this? Please, could you do this? If that's the way how it works with you, let it be like that. If that's the only way how the life can explain to you and could show you how you shouldn't be stupid, shouldn't trust to people, let it be. Let it also be. I'm good. I said to the people right after the conversation last week with the person who's still like, I have the hedge fund, but he don't even know nothing about the market. Oh, you're stupid if you buy on the Robinhood. I don't give a fuck when I'm gonna buy for the bottom of the price. I don't give a fuck where I'm gonna buy everything that I'm buying. But he don't know nothing about the market, and he's telling me this in the face. I understand that people need to see something expensive. So as soon as you're gonna see that I close my long positions, no offense, that will be the last time when people will have my phone. Yeah, because that's my 3 personal numbers. I also have 2 additional phones, which I'm using with the live streams, when I'm doing the live streams. So I'm just gonna change this phone number on that phone numbers, and I'm gonna give it only to my relatives and close friends, and I will try to avoid talking to the people. I'm sorry, guys. I need to stop being such a good guy. Thanks to the haters. Really thanks to the people who's supporting us. Everything that you want to say to me into the DMs, write in the comments. But if you write in any comments, how can I get access to the algorithm and somebody answering you on this? That's not me. That's not me. Unfortunately, I'm not reading the comments. I don't want to read the comments. But you helping us. The only way how you can get this information, if I'm gonna see your support. If this video will get 1,000 likes during the next week, I will do live stream one more time. If it's not gonna get 1,000 likes, the next live stream will be only talking. I will try to change the content on the street. I will try to change the content on the YouTube. I mean, I will start to do content for people which you like. So today we're gonna discuss something like how I'm buying the car. If you need this, and you know what? I know that this content will get the likes. Yeah, I know that. So I need to change everything because I'm tired, once again. Maybe I'm gonna create the courses for you. Maybe I'm gonna create the courses for you. Maybe I'm gonna, I don't know. the app will be the most expensive app in your life. The app will be the most expensive app. As I said, my roadmap for this year, the live streams will be prepaid. The forecast will be prepaid. Everything will be prepaid. Even if there's going to be people who are with us for the last 2 years, that's fine. Let it be like this. Thanks, guy. So, take care.